In the last video I showed you how to make this template for the side profile of a car trunk. Now in this one I'm going to be showing you how to transfer that onto a piece of plywood. The plywood I'm using here is just 1/4 inch, cheapest stuff I could find at Lowe's. My only concern is it is buckling a little bit with the concave edge. I don't know, I read that is something to do with the moisture and how it absorbs more on one side, so I'll try to remedy that somehow, but I think I'm just going to leave it for now. Hopefully the carpet sticks well to this material. I'm sure it will. Now the template is transferred onto here, traced on. Now I'm gonna just rough cut it with the jigsaw and then get a test fit into my car. Alright, in the trunk. Only issue I think is that it's a little tall. It's kind of pushing up against the ceiling. Won't go back in all the way. Maybe that corner there takes them off. I think everything else is pretty good condition. Alright, we're back in the trunk, and I think we have a pretty good fitment on this. Little bit of gap here, and up on top of this curve, since it doesn't seem to be pushing back all the way, I could probably adjust the carpet already in the trunk to fix that. It's at a good height, no rubbing on top. But I think it came out pretty well so far. To finish the piece off a little bit, I'm just going to take a file and then just go around some of the edges, round them off since I don't have a router or anything, and then just kind of clean this up a little bit.